Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're re-diving into a world far more intricate and alive than you might ever imagine, the secret language of plants. You know, we often think of forests as these quiet, still places, right? Sunlight filtering through the leaves, a gentle hum in the air. But beneath that peaceful surface, an incredible, invisible conversation is happening. It's not with words or sounds, but with an amazing symphony of scents, chemicals, and signals both above and below the soil. Plants, these silent, seemingly passive organisms, are actually master communicators, warning, helping, and even outsmarting each other in ways that scientists are only just beginning to truly grasp. Get ready, because your view of nature is about to change. This hidden language often kicks off underground, in what scientists lovingly call the Wood Wide Web. Imagine a vast, intricate network of roots intertwined with fungi stretching throughout the forest. These aren't just any fungi, they're mycorrhizal fungi, and they act like the internet cables of the plant world. Through this incredible fungal superhighway, plants don't just share nutrients, they exchange chemical messages. It's a living, breathing communication system that connects entire forests. So, if a tree on one side of the forest is attacked by pesky insects, it can send out a distress signal through this fungal network. What happens next is astonishing. Nearby trees get the memo and start producing their own defensive chemicals before the attack even reaches them. It's like a community alarm system, with each member aware of its neighbors, responding and adapting to shared threats. Talk about teamwork. But the conversation doesn't stay buried underground. Oh no, plants are also sending messages through the air. They release tiny airborne molecules called volatile organic compounds. Basically, plant perfumes that carry vital information. Picture this: a caterpillar starts munching on a leaf. That plant isn't just taking it, it releases a specific scent, a chemical cry for help that nearby plants can literally smell. Those neighbors then activate their own defenses, maybe making their leaves taste bitter or even toxic to deter the herbivores. It's like a silent warning spreading through the air, and it gets even cooler. Some plants don't just warn, they call for backup. They release chemicals that attract predatory insects, inviting them over for a snack of the pests that are causing trouble. In a way, the plant's cry for help becomes a brilliant form of biological teamwork. It's like plants have their own sophisticated dating apps for beneficial insects. And just like humans, different plant species have their own unique dialects. Take the acacia trees in Africa, for example. When giraffes start munching on their leaves, these acacias release ethylene gas. This gas travels through the wind, signaling to other nearby acacia trees. Those trees, in turn, quickly pump tannins into their leaves, making them super unappetizing. It's so effective that giraffes have actually learned to feed against the wind. Moving away from this chemical alarm that spreads among the trees. How smart is that? They've literally adapted their feeding patterns based on plant communication. The incredible connections don't stop there. Plants also communicate through touch and even light. Ever seen climbing vines? They can actually sense the proximity of other plants and adjust their growth direction to find support, almost like feeling their way to a helping hand. And sunflowers, always turning their faces to the sun, might even synchronize their movements with others nearby, sharing cues from the environment. It's like they're all dancing to the same beat. Even within a single plant, cells are constantly coordinating growth, healing, and flowering through tiny electrical impulses that surprisingly resemble the signals in animal nervous systems. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? This intricate, invisible network truly reveals that plants are far from passive organisms just sitting there. They perceive, they react, and they adapt in incredibly complex ways to ensure their survival, and often the survival of their entire community. While they don't have brains or voices as we understand them, they possess a subtle, profound intelligence written in chemistry and rhythm. The more scientists peel back the layers of these green conversations, the more we realize how alive, aware, and incredibly interconnected the plant world truly is. The forest isn't just a random collection of silent individuals. It's a vibrant, cooperative society whispering beneath our feet. It's a living, breathing web of messages, warnings, and alliances, reminding us that nature's wisdom speaks in ways we are only just beginning to hear. It's absolutely amazing. What do you think about these amazing plant secrets? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the botanical world, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.